Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I just left a Nissan doing a AC diagnostic. The common thing people are doing is going to YouTube and they're buying some gauges and they're pumping in the Freon according to the red, yellow, and green thing on the gauge. Well, unfortunately, it's always going to be incorrect, because if you're not considering pressure and the temperature outside to get the correct number, you're never going to fill that Freon system correctly. So right now you might have pumped it in, it feels good, but if you don't know the specs of how much to put in according to the temperature and how much the system actually holds, you're going to be guessing. So the next time, if it's a little cooler or a little hotter, you can be like, my AC is not working. The other thing that I am literally seeing is people with no Freon in their system are just dumping in Freon without putting it into a vacuum. You do not put your AC into a vacuum, then you are allowing moisture into the system, which is a no-no. They don't mix. It will destroy your AC system. Even if you stuck a new compressor in and you put in Freon without vacuuming, you destroy the new compressor. And with the compressor, you must replace the orifice tube or the receiver and dryer, whichever one you has with your car, but you got to do both at the same time to have a warranty with a manufacturer or even us. So please do not do the DIY thing. Learn how to do it correctly. And Freon is very dangerous, and you need to know what you are doing. That's why I keep saying a professional. Make sure it's professional, so you won't be wasting money buying a $20-some can and it costs you over $1,000 because you didn't do it right, because now you got moisture in the system, or you overcharged it, or you undercharged it, or you destroyed your compressor, or whatever the case may be. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the like button. If this information is valuable to you, you can send money to our Cash App, which is the $, the Mobile Mechanic 757. Again, people before profit. Have a wonderful day.